Intense colors and pop design for successful food labels. In the agri-food sector, labels play a fundamental role in attracting new consumers. Hello everybody, my name is Stefano from Labelado, where we design and print labels for products and help entrepreneurs and designers to achieve their goals in designing and selling products. So without further ado, let's jump into action. Food labels must certainly reflect the quality of the products and above all, provide customers with essential information. But how can your products differentiate from your competitors? Let's see the story of Eat Dream Company and its young founders, Andrea, Pietro and Francesco. Eat Dream is a startup born in 2018 from the ambitious dream of three young friends who wanted to bring the experience of the Tonda Gentile IGP hazelnut from Altalanga into everyone's home. An experience that starts from the tradition of the hazelnut, a high-quality raw product, and which is best expressed in 4 hazelnut cocoa spread, 100% hazelnut spread, hazelnut 30 and 30 plus, hazelnut 55 and hazelnut 40, and dry products such as hazelnuts in shell, roasted, salted and praline. As we all know, the market for chocolate and hazelnut spreads in Italy as well in the rest of the world is dominated by one famous leading brand, which today owns more than 2/3 of the entire market. On the wave of health, trends and addressing to a conscious consumer who is looking for products with few quality ingredients and a traceable supply chain, these three young minds have decided to differentiate their products to propose different choices to the final customer. The production flagships are the so-called Tre Sorelle hazelnut cocoa spreads characterized by a different percentage of hazelnut, a selection of 3 Piedmont IGP hazelnut spreads, the 30% hazelnut delicate with milk, the 55% hazelnut for dark chocolate lovers, and the 40% hazelnut for white chocolate addicted. The food labels designed by the young designer Carolina Artufo express the explosion and intensity of flavors that the consumer can experience while tasting the products. This feeling is expressed by image of a surprised and ecstatic woman who represent the common thread of the entire product line. The fresh and witty style inspired by pop art of these food labels fits perfectly with the young age of the founders. Rather than opting for complex finishings, the designer decided to give maximum emphasis to full colors through the use of coated and metallic papers and highly opaque varnish. This type of products is suitable for specialized sales channels loved by customers who seek quality before price. These sales channels are generally dominated by organic products characterized by single color, minimal, sometimes unappealing food labels. With this strategic and original choice, Eat Dream has been able to break the mold and get noticed among its competitors. Good job! If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment down below if you have an interesting question regarding your product, especially if you work in the food industry or if you're just getting started and you want some advice from other professionals. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. And as always, love you all. Ciao!